before the heaven and the earth come to existence. What am I? Before the heaven and the earth come to existence. What am I? Before the heaven and the earth come to existence. What am I? The sixth patriarch teach the practitioner. We practice always follows the same nature. We speaking, we talk, don't relieve the same nature. Are we doing something? We don't forget same nature. If we lose the same nature, mean that we go the wrong way. Go the wrong way, still in samsara, circle of life and death. So the practice how to don't lose the same nature, like speaking, thinking, or doing something. Chứ don't raise self-attachment. Don't raise self-attachment means we should always ask the question, and maintain doubt. Only doubt, that's the way go to the shape nature, Buddha nature. Maintain doubt, we don't raise in discrimination, raising attachment, ignorance. Just practice from beginning and to end, attain enlightenment. We still practice. Lose practice means that we forget the shape nature.